Unit 3.
Unit 3. Winds of change. You will listen to a
Dialogue.
dialogue between a boy and a girl
Discussing.
discussing
Which
which top
type
type of pens
pankha pankha
pankha
they should
should
choose
choose ask
as
as a gift as you listen change
choose
for
statements
statement out of 7 that are true
from
from 1 to 7 gift
given.
given below.
अब इसे कैसे पढ़ेंगे तेज से. Unit 3. Winds of change. You will listen to a dialogue between a boy and a girl discussing which type of pankha they should choose as a gift. As you listen, choose 4 statements out of 7 that are true from 1 to 7 given below. हाँ आगे पढ़ो.
The boy
Priya,
Priya, what do you think
think,
we said
should,
should get grandma
grandma,
for her birthday?
I,
I was something
thinking,
thinking about
getting,
her a cultural
traditional
पंखा.
पंखा. कैसे पढ़ेंगे देखो. Boy, Priya, what do you think we should get grandma for her birthday? I was thinking about getting her a traditional pankha. पढ़ो.
Girl,
That's
a
great
eater
idea.
She
She
love
loves traditional. Very good. Crafts.
craft, but there are so many types of
Pankhas as we.
pankhas. Which one do you think she likes?
She will.
like.
अब इसे देखो तेज से कैसे पढ़ते हैं. Girl, that's a great idea. She loves traditional crafts, but there are so many types of pankhas. Which one do you think she will like? Next.
Boy.
Maybe
something like
light,
that she can use
easily.
I
Remember
she likes
sitting
sitting in the
veranda in the evenings. तेज से कैसे पढ़ेंगे. Boy, maybe something light that she can use easily. I remember she likes sitting in the veranda in the evenings. Next, girl.
girl. True, but
Do you
do you think she world
would
would
prefer
prefer something heavy
heavy
that
feels
feels student
sturdy?
study you
No.
know like this
Those
those weight
brass
brass
once
see
we
we said
saw
so it the
at
at the
craft
craft FAT
fair
fair land
last
last MUNTH
month.
month.
Girl, true. But do you think she would prefer something heavy that feels sturdy? You know, like those brass ones we saw at the craft fair last month. Next, boy.
Boy, good topic.
Good point.
Good point is
She
she did
Mention.
mention once that she likes things with a beauty but
bit
bit of
weight
weight but when
won't
want that be her
hard
hard to
move
move around.
around. Boy, good point. She did mention once that she likes things with a bit of weight, but won't that be hard to move around? Girl, yeah,
Yeah, you
you are
you are RHST right?
maybe
Maybe
something in
in but
between
between no
not
not too heavy
heavy. ठीक है.
not too like
Light.
light and it
Should
should be
pretty
pretty ENOUGH
enough
enough for
her
her to so it
show too
so to her friends but
when
when they come
Over.
over.
girl. Yeah, you are right. Maybe something in between, not too heavy, not too light, and it should be pretty enough for her to show to her friends when they come over. Next, boy. पढ़ो.
Boy ठीक है
Definitely
definitely and it
should
should be something she can keep you and
under
under her
pillow.
pillow when she
She's
is not use it
using
using it she likes
keeping
keeping
special
special
things
things CLO
close Boy, definitely. And it should be something she can keep under her pillow when she's not using it. She likes keeping special things close. Girl. Hmm. पढ़ो.
What about the ones what was
Once with
with
intricate
integrate
designs
design like those
embroidered
embroidered ones for
from
from
Rajasthan.
Rajasthan bomb
Always
always as we will say grandma lives
loves
loves those things
kinds
kinds of
patterns.
patterns.
कैसे पढ़ेंगे देखो. Girl, what about the ones with intricate designs like those embroidered ones from Rajasthan? Mom always says grandma loves those kinds of patterns. Next. Boy.
Boy on
Oh,
oh the blue
oh yeah.
oh yeah the happily
Applique.
ones those are beautiful and why
They
they would look so nice in her room.
कैसे पढ़ेंगे देखो. Boy. Oh yeah. The applique ones. Those are beautiful and they would look so nice in her room.